Hello, and welcome to the final chapter of our web and internet technology series. In this video, we are exploring some of the most exciting and practical technologies in the digital world. Okay, so the chapter's name is Internet Telephony and Multimedia Application. From internet telephony, which powers the voice and video calls online, to multimedia applications that make the streaming possible. And finally, search engine and web crawlers that help you to find everything on the web. We will start by understanding how VoIP allows communication over the internet. Then we will dive into the multimedia delivery protocols, RTP, RTSP, IPTV. We will also look at search engines, how they crawl, index, and rank the web pages. And don't worry, we will break it all down in simple terms. This chapter is especially important for both developers and digital communicators. So get ready to level up your understanding of how the web delivers the voice, video, and the visibility. Let's get started with internet telephony. So at first, voice over internet protocol allows you to make call using the internet instead of traditional phone lines. It works by converting your voice into the digital packets and transmitting them over the IP network. This technology is behind popular apps like Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp. Voice over IP reduces the call cost, allows global communication without extra charges. Protocols like SIP, Session Initiation Protocol, helps in setting up and ending the calls. Unlike regular phone systems, voice over IP is flexible and scalable, ideal for both home and enterprise use. It supports the features like the video calls, voicemail, and conferencing. Quality of service ensures the call clarity and even on busy network. Voice over IP systems can be hardware based like the IP phones or software based like the soft phones. Security, latency, and jitter are challenges often addressed through modern networking techniques. Voice over IP is the future of communication, efficient, affordable, and evolving. So now, multimedia applications. Multimedia over IP refers to delivering the audio and video content, also images, you can say, through the internet protocols. RSVP, Resource Reservation Protocol, ensures the bandwidth is reserved for smooth playback. Real-time Transport Protocol RTP handles the streaming the audio and video in the real time. Means when you watch some live streaming from YouTube, or you can watch IPL from Jio Hotstar. Okay, so here RTP RSVP works. RTCP supports the RTP by monitoring the transmission quality like delay and jitter. RTSP, Real-Time Streaming Protocol, gives users control over playback, pause, rewind, etc. Streaming media like Netflix or YouTube lets user to watch content instantly without downloading it fully. Codecs such as H.264, MP3 compress and decompress the media for faster transmission. Plugins and browser technologies, now mostly HTML5 you can say, help in media playback. IPTV, Internet Protocol Television, streams the live TV and video on demand, VOD, through broadband connection. Multimedia over IP has revolutionized the entertainment and education and remote communication. It's all about real-time delivery and smart compression and seamless user experience. So now, search engine and web crawlers, metadata indexing, PageRank, SEO overview. So search engine like Google use web crawlers to scan and collect the data from websites. These crawlers look at metadata like title, description, keyword to understand a page's content. The process of indexing stores this information so it can be retrieved during a search. Ranking algorithms such as PageRank determine which page appear first in search result in any browser you can say. So each browser has its specific PageRank algorithm implementation. SEO, search engine optimization, is a practice of making your website more visible to search engines. Google's SEO include using relevant keyword, fast loading pages and mobile friendly design. There are two main parts to SEO: on page, off page. On page means content structure and off page is backlinks, reputation. The better your SEO, the higher your site ranks and the more traffic you get. Search engine considers the user experience, relevance, authority in their rankings. So whether you are building a site or marketing online, SEO is a must know skill. In short, search engines are how the web organizes and delivers the knowledge to users. So, and that's wrap up our chapter 5, Internet Telephony and Multimedia Applications. We have seen how voice over internet protocol transform the communication, how multimedia is streamed across the internet, and how search engine index and rank billions of pages. So these topics are critical for understanding the modern web technologies. They affect how we communicate, consume the content and connect with the world. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your support motivates us to bring more educational content in your journey. So drop your question in the comments. We are happy to help you. Thanks for following along this series on web and internet technology. Stay curious, keep learning and see you in the next series. And also we will discuss some PYQs of this subject and how to pass in the semester exam for this subject. Important question, important chapters, priority for this year. Okay. So that's it.